Not a True Reviews, and today we're unboxing Decocrated. This is one of my absolute favorite subscription boxes. This is a seasonal, so that means it's quarterly, once every 3 months, comes 4 times a year, every season. Subscription box full of home decor items. They have a featured artist in every box, as well as a featured palette, like colors and tones and finishes. And it's a great way to really update your home decor every season. It's $79.99. I do have a $10 off coupon code for you. I'll put that down below. It's Ashley10, along with my affiliate link, so you can check them out with that. They do send this to me for review, FYI, so y'all know that, disclosure. I love it though. I would totally pay for it. All right, so we're gonna bust in here. The box is huge. I'd really like to give you a top-down view, but this is big. You know what I'm saying. All right, we're gonna get in here. My hair is like kind of crazy. I had to run all over to like doctors and stuff today, and the mask I have to wear, you know, made my my face paint fall off. So if I look a little crazy, that's why. All right. I'm also a little bit sunburned. I was standing out yesterday. All right. So it comes with this little envelope. Now, by the way, there are a bunch of spoilers out there. Ashley tried to keep it without looking. I saw a couple, but I probably forgot them anyway, because that's, I'll once I see them, I'll be like, oh, that was a spoiler. But I tried really hard not to. All right, so every box comes with a little art print, and it's always two-sided. So one is like really kind of seasonal, and it will work with like if there's a holiday or something, and the other one is just like you can just have it kind of whenever. So this summer we're seeing Hello Sunshine. It's got like that lemony, beautiful thing going on. And then there's this. Now, they used to offer a little, it's like this clip frame. If you've ever seen my other reviews, or maybe if you're in the Decocrated group on Facebook, they do have their own like community. I love it. It's so cool. They have like dupes where you can find them, because I don't think they actually send them out anymore, but just so you know, girl, you could go find them out. I forget where it is, but because I have one. All right, so you open it up, it says their story. The featured artist is Kate Aurelia and Casey Free. They're a design duo. And then I'll tell you the items that they made in here. They actually are from Boston. My husband's from Boston. I wouldn't be surprised if he knows them. He knows everybody. So anyway, what I really like, and we're not gonna peek here, okay? We're just gonna look over here, is the style sheet. So this gives you the key themes, fruits and florals, which, by the way, I love lemons. I love citrus fruit. I think it's beautiful. I think it's very stunning and striking. And I love florals. You guys all know that. So, key colors, it looks like a cerulean, kind of what I'm wearing, like this yellow, a taupe, a very light mossy, airy kind of green color, a very subdued blue. We've got a teal tone, and then a royal blue type, almost we're going into violet there. All right, and then combining elements, finishes they're using are golds and luster. I'm trying not to look over there. Natural wood. And then the textiles are natural and lush patterns. And then there's, all right, so something I also really love about this subscription is a couple of the items are always interchangeable. Like you can reverse it, or you can use it more than one way. And then there's always like a carrier, or what they call the vessel, like a basket, a bucket. I don't know. It's something very decorative that you can use like utilitarian. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? All right. So we'll go through the whole book then after we unbox everything. But this has 2 interchangeable and seasonal decor items, 4 everyday home accents, and 1 hosting accessory. Don't know what that is. But by the way, I told my kids, once we're in the green, because Pennsylvania is going to go into a green phase where you can kind of have gatherings of X amount of people. I was like, we are going to have a shebang. We're going to have our friends over. And my kids are so ready. They're like, when we have the party, Mom? When we have the party, Mom? So yeah, we miss our friends. All right. Rinse up. This looks like a rug. I'm sorry for all the noise. All right, so here we go. Wait. I have scratches all over me because So here's my good deed for the year. First of all, we had a really bad storm. If you live in Pennsylvania, I think a lot of people got it. It was like this weird wall of storms we got, and the winds were like crazy, like 83 miles an hour. We don't ever get that here. That's very uncommon. But we did, and a huge branch fell down in our backyard. So we had to cut it all up and take it down to the curb. But there was a lady at our corner who has a huge like oak tree, and it like literally split in half. So yesterday we were driving by, and she was out all by herself picking up this, and I mean, we had a branch, and it was a lot. This lady had half a tree. So we just stopped, and we just were like, let's hammer this out. We did it, and so I have little scratches. But they're good scratches. They're good for a good reason. All right. First up is this cool, is this a rug? I'm guessing it is. Or is it like a table? No, it's got to be a rug. So it's got those colors that they're using in the color scheme, like that kind of tealy, blue teal, and then that taupe color. All right, so that's our first item. I'm gonna definitely use that in my dining area because that's kind of fits my theme there. All right, so we'll look at that after we're done. Something else they do that I think is great, there's tons of boxes. Everything is always really securely packaged. They tell you if it's an empty box. That way, you're not opening empty boxes. Remember those days? To any of you, are you OG Decocrated unboxing viewers? There we go. I love it. It's so cute. All right. So here's one of our items. Okay. Okay, so it's an artificial succulent. This is great for places in your house where you don't have a lot of sunlight, but you want a little green. And I love this little planter. It's kind of got that geometric pattern to it, which pulls from other seasons, which is another thing I like about this box is that the items work with items from past boxes. So you're not going to get a lot of clash. If you have a kind of standard style and then you add the elements, they'll all work together. So here we have like a little, it looks like kind of, I forget what those are called. And then this one, which I also forget what it's called. And then that one, which, guess what? I don't remember what it's called. But it's very beautiful. I'm not sure where I'll put this yet, but I think it's really cute. And I want to put it in a place where I can see it all the time. All right. These are like totally like manicure scissors. All right. Whatever. All right. This is it a tray or is it just a mirror? Ooh, it's definitely a mirror. I don't actually have, I'm not gonna show the mirror because it's gonna do that weird thing. But what I will say is I don't have a lot of mirrors in my house. I don't know why, it's just not a thing that like, I don't know. But this is going to be really cool downstairs in my living area because it has that kind of, have this kind of going on the walls. And then I love this brushed brass finish, like that antique look. That's really pretty. I think it's a really nice, has like a rustic appeal to it. Now, I don't know which of these items in here is made by the featured artist. When we go through the pamphlet at the end, that's when we'll find out. All right, so I like that mirror though, that's really cool. Maybe I'll put it by my like door so that before I leave the house, so I can make sure I don't look like fool. All right, these look like pillowcase covers because a lot of the, oh, this is by the featured artist, FYI. That's a thing that they send a lot, which at first when I got it, I was like, okay. And now that I get them, I'm like, oh, they're so great. It's such a great way to just add a PopSugar to your decor without like changing a lot, you know? All right, so these are cool. This totally matches, if you see my living room in any videos, like that golden gray I have, this totally goes with that. And then the back has this really cool natural like woven thing going on. That's so cool. I love these. Oh, I love these. And there's two of them. So those are gonna look cute in my living room. I can't wait. Ain't gonna lie, I like those a lot. Probably my favorite items so far. All right, we're gonna keep going, oh girl. Time is of the essence. I don't know what essence, but it's of an essence. Of an essence. All right, this is something also brass. Oh, this is beauteous. What am I going to use it for? Okay, so you can't actually put plants in it, but you could. What could I use this for? I love this. I have succulent planters that are geometric shaped. I don't know if you remember when I got those a couple years ago. I still have them. Still have the same succulents in them. They're alive. Thank you, Jesus. But I'm thinking that this would go cool in my kitchen along with them, and I could put stuff in it, but I don't know what I'm going to put in it yet. That's the only thing. But this is really cool and geometric, and then it would go with the succulents. Oh, I love it. I love this. This is very cool. I'm feeling it. I'm here for it, you know? I love that. All right, I think this is the final item, my friends. We've come to the end of the line here. And then we'll look at the pamphlet, the little booklet. Oh. See my muscles? Oh yeah, and my sunburn. Okay. All right, so we have a little, this is, what is this exactly? How do I use this? I'm gonna have to look at the front. So it's a little, looks like a tray, because it has these, I'm thinking this might be a holder for it. Again, the natural wood though, they're keeping with that, you know, element. Oh, there's a, okay, I see what's going on here. Another tray. So this is a tiered rack. I'm super pumped. So I see how this works. So I'm gonna try to do this here without a table or anything. This is gonna go like this. I'm in a mood, I don't know why. Like this, you see? This is our hosting item, I bet. Because you're gonna use this at like parties to put out like little foods and whatever. And then the other tray is gonna go on top, and then you have this cool black wire / wood tray serving dish. Isn't that what it is? All right, so that's what that is, and that I really like. That is super sweet. I love it. All right, just love it. It's very modern, which is kind of my wheelhouse, girl. All right, so we've got our 5x7 print, the tray, the brass, I guess it's a holder. I don't know. They're gonna call it something. And then the pillowcase covers, the little rug, the succulent dish, and the mirror. All right, so the art print was done by the featured artist. And then inside, I love that they kind of give you ideas on how to use these items. Most of them are multi-purpose. The summer pillows were also made by the featured artists. And then they're using it with other items that have come in boxes, which I think is really cool. See how this here wall basket was was in a box a couple seasons ago, and then this was not the Christmas box, but the winter season box that was in there. See how they're all working together? I love that they're pulling them all like that. So they've put a plant in there. They've also put plants in here, but I like how they're putting letters in here. I might put this in my desk area. I don't know, to kind of keep things that are supposed to be on my mind. I'm really terrible about that kind of stuff. This is our wood mirror. There's that. And then the 2-tier tray. Oh, I love what they did here. Look over here, but then look what they did here for the 4th of July. So you can kind of dress that up however you want, and then you can take the trays off, which I like too. Then you can use them and put them on a table, like serve drinks or whatever. Very cool. The summer rug, I love that. It is light and airy, and it has that kind of bohemian feel to it. Very just light, airy. It's here, but it's not here too much, you know? There you go. And then they have the succulent, and they're showing you how they're using it. Here it is with the alarm clock that came in a box a few seasons ago, and just all different places. Very, very cute. So they're showing you the Decocrators, and then they do have, I think they have a referral program, but I don't remember now. I'm not sure. I'll leave that all in my full review. Like I said, this is an amazing box for $79.99. You're definitely getting a great deal, and they pull it all together so you don't have to, which I kind of like myself. I get overwhelmed with house stuff. Keeping it clean is just, that's enough for me. Decorating is, I got 4 kids, honey. Anyway, so I will link down below to Decocrated, and I'll put that coupon code down there as well. I'll also link to my full review where we'll go in depth and we'll talk about it all. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you. Thank you for supporting. If you've gotten this far, you're super awesome. As always, I will see you next time.